everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and I'm working on two 10 by 10 wood panels. They are both going to be themed to Nightmare Before Christmas. Even though it's not Halloween, it's not Christmas, it doesn't matter. Nightmare Before Christmas is a really cool movie, and I want to do some really awesome backgrounds with the colors that were used from the movie, and then I will do images of Jack and Sally. So my colors are Wild Purple by US Art Supply. This is the last of it, so I actually cut it open and scraped out the rest. It is a really cool color. It has this really cool iridescent purple sheen to it. Then I'm using the Sunflower Iridescent, also by US Art Supply, and that is a really cool color. Then we've got the Royal Purple by Arteza, and then I have the Purple by Master's Touch. I had an Amsterdam one and I can't find it, so this mixture that I'm using is actually both the Amsterdam violet that I have and the purple. And then I have Lamp Black by Amsterdam. I'm going to just do 2 flip cups on these wood panels. I wanted to show you that I sanded the edges of these wood panels, because when you get them, it's actually a nice sharp clean edge. And what happens is when the paint dries, this edge can sometimes come through and you'll see the wood. So by sanding it, I'm hoping that will help the paint glide off and stick to the edges. Plus, I've also covered it in both of these in gesso, so that hides a little bit of the wood texture. Sometimes the wood texture is cool, especially if I'm doing like a wood grain technique, but today I want them completely covered as if they're canvas. So 2 flip cups. Wish me luck. I love them. They are perfect for my project. All right, stay tuned for the dried results, and then I will be putting the images on them. They are dry. I love them. The yellow kind of sunk in a little bit, and that's okay because these are just backgrounds. So my next step is to get on my computer and pick out the design that I'm going to use for the final cutout, and make my stencils and get ready to paint them. as you can see, they are done. Now, I did do something special, and I will show you what I did in 1 second. I sprayed UV effect on both of them after they were dry. And this is a black light. And it's so cool. Now this one is brighter, and this is very hard for me to film. I really wish you guys could see everything that I'm seeing. Right now, this is perfectly glowing to me, and it doesn't have this purple hue that's showing up on camera. So that is the bummer that this project, it's harder for you guys to see. But this one is not as bright, even in person, although it still looks awesome, because I sprayed glitter over the black. Then I sprayed the UV effect, and that was a mistake because the glitter kind of soaked it up a little bit instead of having that nice black surface for this UV light to stick to. But it was still a fun project, and I'm definitely going to do more. So here's what I used. It is by Montana. It is UV effect, and it is luminescent varnish spray. I got this at my local Cherish Artarama, and I got the black light on Amazon, I believe. And they also have glow in the dark, so I'm definitely going to try that. This was fun. I'm going to do more projects like this. If you really liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching. And we will definitely see you in the next video. Thanks.